Hi everyone, Viridian Art here. We are going to make some Valentine's hearts. You are going to need a pencil and an eraser, some paper. I'm going to be using oil pastels. You can use dry pastels for this. Color pencils will work, or anything that you have at home to add in color. Let's start off drawing a couple nice big hearts. So I like to start my hearts by starting in the top center point of the heart and make a nice large arch and then come down to a point. So one side of the heart at a time, and I'm gonna try and make the other side match it as closely as I can and come down to that same point. I'm gonna draw another one. And any parts that you need to fix, just erase, fix that part and keep going. Our goal is to have some nice big hearts to color in. That is all that I need for my pencil, and I'm going to switch over to oil pastels. So I want my hearts to look like they're shiny and three-dimensional. So I'm going to pick one side that my shine is going to be on for my heart. So whatever side that may be, I'm choosing my left side. I am going to draw in just a space that I'm going to leave white, so it will represent the shine on my heart. Also, where the other side of the heart, where it curves from the center, I am going to put a smaller shine right there. Notice my shines are kind of going in the same direction. So if you do it on the opposite side, if you choose this side for your shine, you'll do a spot here and a spot here. So it's just wherever you would like the shine to be. And I'm going to color in my heart. I'm going to outline first. You really want this color to be nice and bright, so I'm pressing down pretty hard when I color this in. So my color's nice and bold, and my white shines really stand out. Just make sure not to wipe your hand across if you are using pastel. Be very careful, it smears very easily. So I did one solid heart. I'm gonna do a heart that is blended from one color to another. This is optional, you do not have to do that. You can just continue creating your hearts with any colors that you want, or you can get a little fancy and do a nice blended colored heart. Same thing, I'm going to figure out where my shines are. So one bigger one on the same side that I did that one. And because I'm going to use another color here, I am going to do a smaller shine in my other color. So I'm going to go from blue to pink on this heart. You can use any two colors, even three colors if you want, as long as they're colors that are close together on the color wheel. Blue and pink will just make purple when they mix. So you could even test it out on another piece of paper, what it will look like where they mix. So I'm going to color my blue. And I want to come to about the halfway point. So I'm just going to kind of mark off where I want it to be. I'm going to outline my heart just on one side. That is going to be blue. And I'm going to nice and solidly fill that in. When I come to the middle, I don't want it to be a solid straight line. So it's going to be kind of jagged there. And I'm going to take my pink. I'm going to start from the opposite side. I'll outline it first. And start coloring that in. So where it comes to meet the blue in the center, I'm going to overlap. So notice my pink is going into my blue. Same thing, keep your line kind of jagged. And you could do this with whatever you're using for material. So color pencils, you can do it the same technique. Dry pastels can do the same thing. If you're using watercolor, you'll have to work quickly so your colors blend in the middle. So it has to be wet paint, also acrylic, wet paint in the center to mix. I'm going to go back to my blue and use my blue and mix a little bit more in the middle. Notice how it's just creating a purple there in the middle. So I'm going pretty soft when I do this. And I'll switch back to my pink and do pink more on that blue side, just really softly. You can do another heart that's blended or solid. I'm going to draw in my shine. And, oops, I'm going to outline and then color it in. Remember how I talked about how the oil pastel smears really easily and regular pastel smears really easily? So just be very careful where you're placing your hands. I'm going to create shadows underneath each heart. So if the light is shining from this side, and I know that because the little highlights are all on this side of my hearts, I am going to do the shadow on the opposite side of the shine. So with black oil pastel or black color pencils, you can do this all the same with whatever material you're using. The oil pastels, though, we are going to blend with our finger. Any other material you won't quite be able to blend with your finger. So I'm just starting from the bottom point of my heart and coming up right to where my heart starts to curve. I'm also going to do from the center point of the top and come along the curve just on one side. Okay, I'm going to do that to each of the hearts. So now that I have the black going along the same side on all my hearts and that same little curve, I'm going to use my finger and just on the black, I want to pull the black outward. I want to make sure I'm not getting the color of the heart mixed in there. If you do a little bit, that's okay, but this will create a nice shadow. You can even take your finger and just go right along the black and then pull outward really carefully. If you have a charcoal pencil, a black charcoal pencil, this will work great with charcoal pencil also. If you're using colored pencil, a black color pencil, you're just gonna go really hard closest to the heart and then start to fade away by less pressure on the pencil. So get that little inside part. So and see how that makes the heart pop from the page. So I'll do the same thing. I'm going to blend upward and then start to pull the black. any parts that need a little bit more, you can always go back and add more. I'm going to put a little bit more black just on that part. And then after that, you should definitely wash your finger. So you can stop there if you feel like this is done. You can keep adding more hearts into your project. You can create a background for this as well. This is a great idea to make little cards for your friends and family with these hearts on them. So have fun, get creative. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and see you next time.